As an AI visualization tool designed exclusively for e-commerce sellers, SellerPic has newly upgraded its multi-category template library, covering 7 key scenarios: advertising, branding, fashion, Instagram, photography, print on demand, and product image. If you don't know how to shoot or edit professional, product texture-focused photos, choose the photography template, like this watch. If you don't know how to create fashion images that highlight clothing details, choose the fashion template like this to generate a matching one and easily showcase the design highlights. If you don't know how to make standard product images showing a product's appearance and details, choose the product image template like this ring to generate a match and meet e-commerce platforms' basic display needs. Now I'll select this Create Brand Lookbook template. Then upload your product images via 3 methods, and click to generate a matching visual in one step. Click hands to drag the canvas and adjust its position. After generation, you can directly compare it with the original image and zoom in to check details. If there are issues, click the triangle icon in the top right corner to submit feedback. If you're satisfied, download it directly. 3 download formats are available to choose from. Now let's try another template, Luxury Product Showcase. Click Use to generate a matching version with one click. It's easy to operate and delivers excellent results. The details are the same. Very good consistency. Some templates also support the feature function, which automatically generates detailed split images of product details to help you showcase selling points clearly. In the bottom left corner, you can freely select models, adjust image ratios, and set the number of generated images. Just click Use to complete the setup, perfect for sellers who aren't good at design. No more stressing over design work. The operation is super simple. Say goodbye to design bottlenecks and high costs. Let SellerPic make e-commerce marketing visual creation more hassle-free and efficient. Quickly craft eye-catching visuals and boost your product competitiveness. Visit www.sellerpic.ai now to start your efficient design journey.